I know I've talked a lot about ChatGPT, but I want to revisit ChatGPT with plugins, specifically DALL-E. DALL-E. DALL-E is an AI platform that will allow you to become creative with photos everywhere just by asking it to respond to a prompt. So let's go back to ChatGPT, but let's look at the plugin. Now, over here at the very top, you have GPT 3.5 and GPT 4. We want to be in GPT 4. This is where your plugins are going to be recognized. If you want to know how to add plugins, just watch this video and then come back to this video, and you'll want to go in here and select DALL-E 3. That's one of the plugins. Now, I know it's there because I put it here. Now, what I'm going to do is say create photos for educational leadership. This is for new principals or assistant principals and engaging families and the community. See what happens. Now, it doesn't typically come too fast, but it's faster than you think. Now, if you've used Midjourney, the server that's on Discord, that one I absolutely love as well. But right now, it's converting. It's thinking. So we're going to pause while it generates. Here's what came up. You have two photos. Now, what's interesting is that DALL-E knows that I was probably looking for cultural diversity. Now, these are images that I could use in a presentation. These are images that I could just use in a flyer. Maybe it's a newsletter. Look at how great they are. Now, look, it even spells out Community Engagement Day. School. Now, if I select it, all I have to do is select it, download it. It'll download for me. And then I can go back here and download the other one. This is magnificent. Now, what if I wanted to add some more pictures? Let's say that create photos to engage teacher about integrating science in their K-5 classroom. Consider the standards in science in California. I spelled California wrong, which is shame on me. But I didn't capitalize it, and I put I after the F, and the I should have been before the F. But forgive me. And you'll notice that this is the huge thing. First of all, DALL-E 3, DALL-E -E3 comes up, and it's still generating. It typically takes about 10, 15 seconds, but look, bam, integrating. And these photos are perfect maybe for a presentation that you're offering, or you can throw it in Canva. Again, you just look, it even says California Science Standards, California Science Standards. It doesn't necessarily give me a science standard, but the sky is the limit. Decide what you want to ask DALL-E 3 in your pro version. Again, it's pro version. This probably won't come up in the free version at all. I hope this was helpful. It's really fun. Think about ways you can use DALL-E 3 in ChatGPT. Think about any of these photos and what prompts you would actually use when you create your presentations, flyers, or just images you like to put up in your office. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Like this video, comment. Tell me how you're using DALL-E 3 and the images that you've created.